Alright, so today we're going to show you how I make New York style pizza dough here at the bakery. I'm going to show you the ingredients I put in it. I'm going to show you how I mix it. And then tomorrow I'm going to bake it because it's got to rest 24 hours in the fridge. This is the first day back after a long weekend, so I have no dough left. So I got to let it rest 24 hours in the fridge. So I'm going to show you what I put in it. Everybody's been asking, here it is. This is the way I make it at the bakery. New York style pizza dough here at work. So I start off with 20 kg of flour. That's 20 kilograms of flour of just strong flour, regular flour. There it is, enriched flour. 1.5 kilos of whole wheat. Now that's optional. I love whole wheat. It gives a nice color. It's up to you. But I put it, so I advise putting it. 1.5 kilos of semolina. Now this thing gives it that, what makes it, it makes it like a cracker, like it doesn't, like it gives it that crispiness. It doesn't let it puff up. That's why I put semolina. I find semolina does wonders. This is 475 grams of sugar, a little bit less salt, 465. I mean, if you put them the same, that's okay too. And then 4 cups of olive oil. So olive oil, salt, sugar, semolina, whole wheat, flour, and yeast. Now this here is 2 pounds of yeast. Now I'm going to show you how much of the 2 pounds we actually use. That's it. That little piece there. How do you know how much it weighs? Okay, you want to see how much it weighs? Let's see. Look at that. It's like 55 grams. Very little. Alright, so I'm going to throw the flour in first. Alright, here you go. There you go. 20 kilograms of flour. Okay. Oh, finger, get out of the way. Semolina. Whole wheat with the yeast. Sugar. Salt. Olive oil. And water. That's about 12 liters. And then I'm gonna start mixing it, and then I'll go, if I need more water, I'll put it. Okay, so we're gonna let it mix for about 15 minutes. Okay, let it go backwards, forward. I'm gonna check it a little bit. If it needs more water, I'll put more water. It can't be too hard, it can't be too soft, just perfect. All right, let it mix for a bit, and then I'll put some, I'll check it. All right, I think it's good. Okay, so our mix is done. It looks perfect. See? That's the way it's gotta feel, look. I'm gonna take it out and then I'll cut it. Beautiful. All right, so we're gonna cut it. It's gonna be hard for me to hold this camera and cut at the same time, so I'll just do one and show you. Okay, so basically, that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, it's 9 ounces. 9 ounces. I'm gonna roll all these balls. It's gonna look like this. I'll come back and show you what it looks like after I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna put them all in these blue bins with a little bit of oil. Cover it with a saran wrap. Put it in the fridge, 24 hours minimum, and then you can make pizzas with it. Like I was saying, adjust the recipe to your liking. So divide it by 4, divide it by 6. That way you don't get this many. You don't need that many. This is for the bakery. I'm gonna put some oil. I'm gonna put 12 in a bin. I'm gonna cover it, saran wrap it, put it in the fridge, 24 hours, and it's gonna be beautiful. So I'm gonna cover this up, put it in the fridge. That's it, done. I'm gonna take some home and I'll make the pizza later on today. Show you how it comes out. There you go, New York style pizza dough. Here on the Pizza Artist. Don't forget, adjust the recipe for your liking. Cut it in half, divide by 4, divide it by 6. Play around with it. The yeast, go less. You know what I'm trying to say? The yeast just a little bit. All right, let's see how it comes out.